In front of me is the Google Pixel 6a, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll to click on this section called Display and Touch. Now you need to scroll again, this time to choose this section here called Display Size and Text, and operate this slider under font size to adjust that. When you finished, just go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!